Hello, and welcome to another episode of Amazing Autos, where we showcase some of the most incredible vehicles on the planet. Today, we're going to take a look at 7 small cars that will blow your mind. These are not your ordinary hatchbacks or city cars. These are tiny machines that pack a lot of personality and charm. Let's get started. Austin Colsons DIMA car. This is the world's smallest roadworthy car, according to the Guinness World Records. It was built by Austin Colson from Arizona, who used a child's toy car as a base and added a custom chassis, engine, steering, and brakes. It measures only 1.26 meters long and can reach a top speed of 40 kilometers slashing. It even has a license plate and a horn. Austin spent about $1,500 and 6 months to build this car, which he calls the Wind Up. He says he wanted to challenge himself and create something unique. He also says he enjoys driving it around and getting people's reactions. The Peel P50. This is the smallest production car ever made, according to the Guinness World Records. It was manufactured by Peel Engineering in the Isle of Man from 1962 to 1965, and only 50 units were produced. It has a single seat, a single door, a single headlight, and a single wiper. It is powered by a 49-key engine that delivers 4.2 horsepower and can reach 61 kilometers slash. It is so small that it has a handle at the rear to lift and maneuver it. The Peel P50 was designed as a city car that could be parked anywhere and driven on any road. It was advertised as having enough room for one adult and a shopping bag. It was also very cheap to run, costing only £5 per year in taxes and £2 per week in fuel. The Foldable N. This is one of the earliest microcars, dating back to 1950. It was designed by Norbert Stevenson, a German engineer who wanted to create an affordable and simple car for the masses. It has a wooden frame covered with aluminum and plywood panels, and a 2-stroke engine that produces 5.4 horsepower. It has 3 wheels, 2 doors, and 2 seats, and it was nicknamed the Silver Flea by the press. The Foldable N was one of the first cars to use a monocoque construction, which means that the body and chassis are integrated into one unit. This made it lighter and stronger than other cars at the time. It also had independent suspension on all wheels, which improved its handling and comfort. The mopeda. This is one of the rarest and cutest microcars ever made. Only 14 units were built by Egon Bruch, a German inventor who showcased his prototype at the 1956 International Bicycle and Motorcycle Exhibition. It has a single seat, a single wheel at the front and 2 at the rear, and a canopy that can be opened for entry and exit. It is powered by a 49-key engine that produces 2.3 horsepower and can reach 45 kilometers slashing. The Bruch mopeda was intended as a fun and economical vehicle for short trips around town. It had a very simple design, with no reverse gear, no brakes on the front wheel, and no indicators or lights. It also had very low fuel consumption, using only 1 liter of petrol per 100 kilometers. The Gagamobile Dart. This is a sporty microcar that was produced in Australia by Buckle Motors from 1959 to 1961. It is based on the chassis and mechanical components of the German Gagamobile microcar, but with a fiberglass body that resembles a roadster. It has 2 seats, no doors, no windows, and no roof. It is powered by a rear-mounted twin-cylinder engine that comes in either 300 or 400 variants. The Gagamobile Dart was designed by Bill Buckle, an Australian engineer who wanted to create a fun and stylish car for the Australian market. He used the Gagamobile as a donor car because it was cheap and reliable, but he modified it with his own bodywork and features. He also offered various options for customers, such as racing stripes, wire wheels, luggage racks, and tonneau covers. The Peel Trident. This is the successor of the Peel P50, and it was launched in 1964 as the terrestrial flying saucer. It has a futuristic design with a transparent bubble top that can be lifted for entry and exit. It has 2 seats, 3 wheels, and 2 headlights. It is powered by the same 49T engine as the P50, but with an electric start option. The Peel Trident was marketed as almost cheaper than walking, and the ultimate in personal transport. It was also claimed to be weatherproof, dustproof, and dropproof, thanks to its bubble top. However, it also had some drawbacks, such as poor ventilation, limited visibility, and lack of safety features. The BMW i3. This is not exactly a small car, but it is one of the most innovative and eco-friendly cars on the market today. It is an electric car that has a range of up to 260 kilometers on a single charge, and it can be extended with an optional range extender engine that acts as a generator. It has a carbon fiber reinforced plastic body that reduces weight and increases strength, and an interior that uses recycled materials and natural fibers. The BMW i3 is part of BMW's i sub-brand, which focuses on sustainable mobility and futuristic design. The i3 was launched in 2013 as the first mass-produced car to use carbon fiber extensively. It also has a unique architecture, with a separate module for the passenger cell and the drivetrain. It also offers various driving modes such as Comfort, Eco Pro, and Eco Pro Plus. There you have it, 7 small cars that will blow your mind. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos like this one. Thanks for watching.